Boulder's top stories this week. Congressman Jared Polis thanks an Americorps team for its work in Boulder. A new Gallup poll names our town the skinniest city in the U.S. And Boulder B-cycle relaunches for another season of bike sharing. Hi, I'm Natalie Wood. It's been a week of warm temperatures in Boulder, and with spring and summer in sight, Boulder is preparing for farming season. Boulder's open space and mountain parks irrigates nearly 6,000 acres of land with its ditches and lateral ditches. Together, the nearly 300 ditches require a lot of management before the farming season gets started. Americorps' NCCC team traveled to Boulder to help clean ditches and work on easements in order to provide water flow to area users. Congressman Jared Polis stopped by Silver Lake Ditch this week to thank the team for its contributions.
Americorps is a great program that Bill Clinton founded, and it really plays a role right here in Boulder County. We have Americorps youth from across the country that are doing the work that's necessary for the city and county water management, cleaning our ditches before the water runs through it. They're also going to be doing some necessary trail work, so it's a real win for Boulder County and maintaining our trails, keeping our flow of water. Great experience for these kids from across the country to see our community and really give back to our community.
The Americorps program is just so solid. It's been a wonderful thing for our community. What they've done for just our farmers and irrigation ditches, many people are completely unaware of it, but it's wonderful. You know, I've worked with a lot of groups over the years, and I find the Americorps volunteers to be almost unanimously enthusiastic and hardworking. So it's been a fantastic program to work with.
If Boulder residents see Americorps folks in their Americorps t-shirts over the next few months, they'll know what they're up to. They're helping maintain our trails and make sure our ditches are clean and all the necessary work that goes into keeping our open space in good condition. So that's what they're up to. Say hi. The Americorps folks are friendly, and when you see them around, just give a wave and tell them you appreciate them.
The team's efforts are much appreciated by Boulder residents and farmers. Americorps' NCCC team will be working in Boulder through early May. Over the next month, Open Space and Mountain Parks will also be working with the Boulder Fire Department to conduct several prescribed ditch and grassland burns to support agricultural activity. Boulder is once again making national headlines, this time with a ranking as the skinniest city in the U.S. A new Gallup Healthways poll gave Boulder that distinction, along with the title of 5th best U.S. city for well-being. I spoke with some of Boulder's fitness gurus about how the majority of people in our town manage to stay fit and overall well. It's no surprise that Boulder residents are active, from working out in the gym to enjoying the outdoors. The majority of Boulder residents are staying fit and healthy. In fact, a Gallup Healthways poll found Boulder to be the skinniest city in the U.S., with just 12.1% of residents considered obese.
We're really blessed to have a community that's dedicated to parks and recreation. We've got 3 rec centers, which is amazing for the size community that we are. We've got an extensive trails, parks, and open space system that people can go and enjoy and take advantage of. I think that's one of the reasons why Boulder is a premier community across the nation that people want to move to and live in, and of course be healthy in.
We have a great assortment of healthy grocery stores, healthy restaurants, and so people are able to make healthier foods at home and eat healthier in restaurants as well.
It's clear that Boulder is making better choices when it comes to eating and working out compared to the rest of the nation. The poll results were based on interviews with more than 350,000 American adults who reported their height and weight, which was used to calculate their body mass index. The poll found that Mission, Texas is the area with the highest number of obese residents, which soared to 38.8%. But of course, being healthy does not necessarily mean being skinny.
Your body needs all these nutrients. So when I work with people, I tell them I want you to lose weight, but I want to make sure that you're not nutrient deficient. So I want to make sure that you get a little bit of food from each of these food groups.
With tons of healthy food options and great outdoor and recreation spots, it's no wonder why Boulder has earned itself another respectable title. The Gallup Healthways poll shows Boulder is one of only 3 metro areas in the U.S. with obesity rates at or below 15%. The other 2 metro areas meeting that criteria are around Norwalk, Connecticut, and our nearby city, Fort Collins. After taking a break this winter for repairs and maintenance, the popular red bikes are ready to roll through Boulder once again. Boulder B-cycle relaunched on March 16th, and the community bike share program is cruising full speed ahead. Here's more on the green and healthy transportation solution that's back to offer Boulder residents, workers, and visitors another way to get around town.
Boulder B-cycle caters to everyone: visitors, residents, in-commuters, tourists, everyone who needs to get somewhere and wants to have a smile on their face while they're doing it will love B-cycle. Boulder B-cycle is a great way to get around town when it's too far to walk and too close to drive. We also connect really well with transit, so you can jump on a bus, take it where you need to go, and grab a B-cycle and take the final mile on a bike. We had a great season last year. We had about 1,170 annual members and more than 6,000 day users that use the system. We tracked lots and lots of miles. People burned a ton of calories, and we saved a lot of gasoline by riding these bikes instead of driving. Most bike share systems in this country have doubled their membership in their second year, so I think we'll do it. I think we'll do even better, actually.
You can visit boulderbcycle.com for program information and bike share locations. From biking around town to walking or taking the bus, Boulder is a great place to use alternate modes of transportation. On Monday, the city held a public meeting to evaluate a variety of options for multimodal transportation improvements to the Boulder Transit Center area. The site on 14th Street between Canyon and Walnut is where the current RTD transit station is located. The transportation improvements will include better access and accommodations for buses, bicycles, and pedestrians. Inside Boulder News asked transportation planner Cris about the project goals for the heavily used location.
We wanted to take a look at some on-street options to accommodate a variety of different needs downtown. So we're really taking a multimodal approach to better accommodate transit vehicles, create improved access for pedestrians and bicyclists. The Downtown Boulder Transit Center is one of the highest utilized transit centers of the entire RTD district. We have thousands of passengers coming through here every day and hundreds of buses. So it's really an important area to improve the overall transit experience. The other major activity center, again, is Broadway Euclid. We have a lot of improvements going in there, and Boulder Junction is a future major transit hub. And so we want to make all of our major transit hubs work really well for all of the users.
The construction of the Boulder Transit Center area improvements will begin as soon as the design phase is complete. That phase is anticipated to take about 4 months. That's all the time we have for this week. You can connect with Inside Boulder News on Facebook by submitting news tips and questions. Just search for City of Boulder Channel 8. I'm Natalie Wood. Stick around for more Inside Boulder next.